Good morning. In this session, I'm going to show you how you can create professional layouts and websites with the amazing help of block patterns. Block patterns are pre-made or ready-made designs that you can insert into your site in one click. And because they have been built with blocks, you have complete freedom to modify them and change them to meet your design needs. So basically, all the hard work has been done for you. To insert a pattern, click the plus icon top left. Open the Patterns tab. Then you will see a list of categories to choose from. In this case, I will open the About category and scroll through all the available options. Once you find the one you like, click on it to insert it into your page or post. Once inserted, open the list view, and then you can modify the content of the pattern as you please. Let's go ahead and replace the image with one from our media library. Update the heading as well as the text. But if you would like to edit, move or restructure blocks within your pattern, you first need to select the pattern within your list view and click Edit Pattern. Now you can make the relevant changes. In this example, I will move the left column to the right and then select the Buttons block, open the sidebar settings on the right and change the background color to black. Once you are done, you can exit the pattern and save your changes. So next, I want to show you how you can build an entire page using individual patterns or even a page pattern, depending on the theme that you're using. Check out this homepage I created using the 2024 theme and available patterns. It saved me a lot of time to use these pre-made designs. Let's start with a blank page. Click on the Inserter, select Patterns, and then we are going to build our page by selecting individual patterns one by one from various categories. And the nice thing about the zoomed out view is you can actually see your page taking shape. Then we can open our list view. And did you know you can even update your header and footer using patterns? So in this example, let's select the footer, open the sidebar settings top right, open settings, and select the pattern of choice. Finally, we can make our way to Styles, click Browse Styles, and select a new style for our site. And as you'll see, it will implement across the page. The final step, of course, is to update the placeholder content with your own images and text. Some themes also have page patterns. So when you click on the Inserter top left, go to Patterns, and then make your way to Pages. In this case, you will see two categories named Pages. The one provided by the 2025 theme, and the other by WordPress.com. And let's go ahead and select one from this category. And once inserted, we can modify and personalize the pattern. And this is what it looks like after I replaced the dummy content with my own. As we can see, all the design work was done for us. As mentioned, the patterns that are available on your site depends on the theme that you're using. But WordPress.com also provides a variety of patterns on top of the ones provided by your theme. When you visit WordPress.com/patterns, you will see all the amazing patterns available to .com users. But luckily, they are available right from within a page or post when you insert a pattern. The great thing is, you can also create your own pattern and then save it as a synced or non-synced pattern. Let's check it out. So if you have created a cool pattern and want to keep it, you can click on the three vertical dots, select Create Pattern, and then add a suitable name, add a category, and then you can save it as a synced or non-synced pattern. So basically, syncing a pattern means when you make a change to a pattern, it will update automatically everywhere else the pattern has been used. But when you unsync a pattern, each copy becomes separate. So when you make a change, it won't affect the others or the original. Once the synced or unsynced pattern has been added, you will notice it is now available below My Patterns. I added my synced pattern to this page twice to show you how it works. So when we select the first pattern and click on Edit Original in the block toolbar, We can make an update. For example, instead of saying Jazz Band, we can say Jazz Festival. And then when we hit save, we will notice that the change applied to both patterns because they are synced. I hope you will agree with me that using patterns not only saves time, but inspires creativity. If you have found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button to stay updated with our latest content. Cheers for now.